So how do you make sure you get the right size for your kids' school shoes this year? Most shoe shops are all self-serve, so you've got to make sure you know exactly what you're doing. Now there's a big myth out there that kids grow oodles of school shoe sizes in a year, when the truth is most kids only grow between 1 and 2 school shoe sizes. So don't go crazy. I've actually had patients come in and they've got their kids in shoes that are like that much too long for them. These aren't clown shoes. This isn't Ronald McDonald. These kids need to be run and be active in these shoes. So make sure that when you're choosing them, you go through these following tips. First of all, get your child to sit and push their heel in the shoe right to the back of the heel. Then choose the thickness of their thumb. When I'm talking about thickness, can we see in there? We're talking about this bit here. Make sure it's between the end of their longest toe and the end of the shoe. There should be that much room in there to make sure that your little one has enough room for growth and has enough room to do activity. In fact, you really should be doing it for yourself. Finally, what I want you to do is some shoes are really narrow. I want you to flip the shoe over like this and put it on the bottom of your child's foot. If you can see their toes hanging out or the sides of their foot, then guess what? That school shoe's way too narrow and you need to give it the flick and choose another one. They're really simple tips that you can use at home. Always make sure that your child is standing up when they do these measurements, because they're gonna do this standing up and running. So that's why it's important. Now, when you're choosing a shoe, you should look at features. There are 5 essential features you should look at, and I've got that, guess what, in another video. So you're gonna have to come back and check it out then. Look for 5 features that every parent should know about choosing the school shoe. See you then. Before buying their kids' school shoes. There's another video that you might want to check out as well, which is all about how to choose the right shoe size. Great videos, huh? Look, I hope that helped. Yes, price does make a difference with most shoes, but if you can find great features at a smaller price, then great, that's good news too. See you in the next video.